How to fix images not showing in Google Chrome. So if you want to fix the images not showing in your Google Chrome, then what you need to do is if you search for images, you'll have the images section right here. So if it is not loading and if you're facing any problems, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the browser in which you're facing the problem. Go with the upper right, which has that three dots. Go with settings. And under settings, go with privacy and security and go with the site settings. And under your site settings, you need to scroll down and go with the images section. Now under images here, you will have an option of sites can show images. So you just need to simply go and turn this on. Once you turn this on, then you just need to simply go and refresh your page. Once you refresh, then you can go with the images on your browser and it will fix your problem. You'll be able to have the images. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.